Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been ages. I'm so sorry guys, I've been off YouTube for like a while now. Not a while, it's been months. But I just had some things I had to do, but hopefully I'm back. I just wanted to give you guys a Halloween look. I've been more active on Instagram. I've been dropping lots of Halloween look on Instagram. So if you don't follow me there, go down to the description box below and click the link to follow me on Instagram, because I've been dropping bomb as Halloween inspired makeup looks over there. So I just wanted to give you guys a video. I wanted to give you something, a little something. So I decided to do this call Halloween makeup look. So enough of the blabbing, let me just get into it. So I already primed my face and I used the Blossom makeup primer, and I also used the Blossom mirror foundation in the shade 140 Honey. That foundation is super gorgeous. It blends like a dream and it's full coverage. Like, you guys can see my face, you can see how it covered up my acne and dark spots, like, and I didn't even use that much. I only used 2 pumps. And then I'm also using their concealer, which is also full coverage. This is their spotless concealer. I'm using the shade this is the shade Blossom. This is really light. On a normal day I wouldn't use this because it's super light. I can only use this after using my normal highlighting shade, and then I will just use this one to add a little pop of brightness to the inner corners of my eye. But since I'm going for a skull makeup look, that's why I'm using this shade of concealer. You guys will see. So I'm contouring, and to contour I'm using, I don't know what this product is called. I think it's Jordanna. I can't remember. But it is a foundation, but it's really lightweight, and it's dark enough for me to use as my contour. So I've been using it for a long time now. And most of the brushes I'm using in this video are from either it's from ABH or it's from Techniques. Like the foundation brush that's from ABH, but the contour one is from Techniques. It's the angled contour brush. And to set the concealer in place, I'm using the Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just going to press that in. I'm not baking yet. I'm just going to press that in and set the concealer in place. So I apply the same concealer to my brows, because we're not going to do the normal brow. No, I'm going for kind of a gray icy kind of brow. You guys will see. So I just use the concealer to cancel out the natural blackness of my own brow. Then I'm going in with an aqua liner. This is actually an aqua liner I'm using. It's white, and I'm just using that. You can see how it turned out. The reason why I use an aqua liner, because it's easy to apply and it comes off so easy. So I'm just going to conceal underneath my brows to make it look sharp and crisp. And now I'm going to blend out the excess concealer. And for my what is wrong? For my base, my eyeshadow base, I'm also using the same concealer we used to highlight, the Blossom spotless concealer. I'm using that same shade. I just add a little quantity, and then I'm going to go with the black gel. This is the inglot gel liner. I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lid, I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and then I'm going to try to buff out the edges, and then go in with the black shadow from the Blossom eyeshadow palettes, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to use the shadow to blend out the edges and set that gel liner in place so it doesn't move. And now to blend out the black, I went into my Morphe palette and I'm using the white shadow from that palette to blend out the edges of the black shadow and just make everything look nice and seamless. I'm also taking that black gel liner to our lower lash line and the water line also, because I want the lower lash line to be as dark as possible. Now to the fun parts, we're going to outline our skull and everything. So I'm just using that same gel liner. I used it first to outline the shape that I want, and then I went in with the black shadow to kind of set everything in place, darken it up, and just shade everything, and then I blended out with the white. We're going for icy skull makeup look, so basically it's going to be black, white, icy, and some gems to take the look to the next step. Now I'm drawing out the teeth, and I'm just creating lines, straight lines. They're not equal, you can see. I'm just creating straight lines with the black gel, and then I'm going to shade it out with a black shadow. And after shading out with the black shadow, I'm going to blend out using like a burnt orange shade to give it some shadows and depth. Okay, moving on to the nose. I'm going to use, basically most of the look I'm using the black gel liner. So when you see me doing something black, it's either I'm using the black gel liner or I'm using an aqua liner from Ovuada Beauty. I'm going to link them down in the description, because I'm going to link down their Instagram, and because their aqua liner is super bomb. Like, it dries down matte and it dries down really fast. Like, it doesn't crack or anything. So filling in the nose after outlining with the black gel liner, and I'm shading the side. Like, I'm adding some more depth to the contour. I already contoured my nose using that foundation shade, but we're going for a skull look, so we need to have some extra, you know what I'm saying. You guys can see what I'm doing. So I went in with the shadow, and I'm just like lightly shading the sides of my nose to increase the nose contour. I'm sorry guys if you guys hear some noise go in the background. I'm sorry, they're having some works going on. I'm so sorry, just bear with me. For the nose, I also use the aqua liner to really outline the sides to make it sharp. And now I'm adding gemstones to the teeth. Basically the teeth are the gemstones. The gemstones are the teeth. Normally you can use a white liner to outline the teeth and everything, but I decided to go for the gem, which came out super nice. You can see every other places I applied the gem. And for the glue, I used a classic Makeup USA lash adhesive. It's super it's waterproof and sweat proof, and also it has a strong wood. So I'm just using that. I placed that on the place I want to apply the gem, and then I'm just going in with the gemstones one after the other. I didn't show everything to you guys on camera because that would be like, it would take lots of time. Moving on to the lips, I'm applying the gel liner to the center of the lips, and I'm just going to blend that out and then go in with a shimmer first. I went in with a matte white shadow, then I highlighted the top and the bottom with a shimmer white shadow, or silver shadow. I'm extending the tip all over my lips, just to complete the look. It's the same procedure, just outline with a black gel liner, then add some depth with a shadow, shade it, and then blend out the edges and give it some shadows and depth using a burnt orange shadow. And now I'm applying the rhinestones to the teeth, the remaining of the teeth. So this look is almost complete. You guys can see how beautiful it already looks. Okay, so usually I'm always on low cut, and I'm always dyeing my hair different colors. So that pink wouldn't have gone well with the look, so I decided to shade my hair black. Like, I painted half of my hair black, and then I went in with a black drag to cover the rest of my hair, because I can't take the aqua liner all the way back to my hair. So I just shaded the front of it. I painted the front of it and went in with the dark stuff, and I'm just like shading around the perimeters of my head, like I'm contouring. Yeah, and I just added some little details to my neck, as you guys can see. And this is the finished look, guys. It's complete. I added some jewelries to just top up the look, and this is everything complete. I actually added something at the end off camera. I wanted to add some gloss to the lid, but it just it wasn't looking nice, and I almost ended up ruining the entire makeup look. Like, if you guys can see, you can see my legs a little bit shiny. I tried taking it off, trying applying the powder, but it was just not working. So I'm just like, I'm gonna have to make this. So one thing to note, I don't add gloss to it, just leave it matte the way it is. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully that will be very soon, but thanks for sticking around with me. Thanks for waiting for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love it. I hope you try out this makeup look, because it's super easy and it can be a last minute makeup look. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.